Bonjour tout le monde and welcome into my kitchen. The Gay Gourmand here, and today I'm excited to show you how to make chicken piccata. Now in the past, I would steer away from making chicken because I was a little nervous about undercooking it and nobody wants food poisoning. But I've since mastered it and I'm excited to show you all how to make some amazing chicken piccata for dinner. And fun fact, did you know the #1 meat eaten in France is chicken? Who knew? Or what they call le poulet. You know, just take out your stress of the day. No big deal. You don't need therapy. You just need some chicken. To begin cooking the chicken, we'll go ahead and add about two tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes and flip over for the same amount of time. Then remove from pan. Add the same amount of butter and olive oil again. Then brown chicken the same as before. Remove chicken one last time from the pan. Add in the capers, lemon juice, chicken stock, and about a cup of heavy whipping cream. Finally, return chicken to the pan, turn burner to low, and let rest in pan for about 5 to 6 minutes. You're ready to serve delicious, juicy chicken, so top with fresh parsley for the perfect presentation. Et voila, you have chicken piccata. Now sit back and enjoy. Until next time, remember to cook and bake fearlessly.